Okay, I hope you realize that this equation right here is easy to solve for y in terms of x. So you could find y prime and y double prime, or the first and second derivatives, in terms of x only, quite easily. But we'll follow the directions and do this implicitly and get a solution for the second derivative in terms of x and y. So first of all, we're going to take the original equation and apply the product rule to this first term. So I'll say the first function is x squared times the derivative of the second, plus the second function y times the derivative of the first. The derivative of minus 5x is minus 5. The derivative of 7 is 0. And I will solve for y prime here. And this is what you get. So there's y prime. That'll come into play later. Now we got to take y double prime of that expression. So we'll use the quotient rule. Denominator times the derivative of the numerator. The derivative of the 5 is 0. Use the product rule on this term right here. First function times the derivative of the second, plus the second function y times the derivative of the first is minus 2. And then minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, all over the denominator squared. So this line is where the quotient rule was applied. And then it's a good idea probably to make this as simple as possible before we do the following. We have to replace this y prime with this 5 minus 2xy all over x squared. So distribute the x squared here, distribute this 2x. It's actually, you can think of it as a minus 2x. I'll let you try to follow along there. It turns out that we get a 4x squared y and a minus 2x squared y gives us 2x squared y. Then we notice that every term of the numerator has a factor of x, so we divide or factor out that x and cancel with one of the factors of x in the denominator. So there's a formula for y double prime, but it's got y prime in it. So we're going to replace that y prime with this. And there's where that happened. And once we do that, we notice that this x squared cancels out. Distribute the negative 2, gives us negative 10, plus 4xy, plus these two terms out here. Combine the similar terms, 6xy minus 20 over x cubed. There's y double prime in terms of x and y. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. Pause the video here and there and make sure you can duplicate the algebra. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.